Asa bro, where you wanna? Yeah. You go just argue where you now. Ije o mare le já passa. Ah, but what a leti. O me ga na groovy one. Ah, what an he.
All the birthday Osagie na we. If you can wear ibiamo gbon na ni gogo ni Osagie. Na birthday oge. Munda o devil. Ge aya gbin ugie. Message to Osagie and when ife. Message to Osagie. Iro ni. Right now that we na go na me. So na o wa by 40 years. Balaka. Ijebe inyana da iwe. So e bra gbon so e. Na we imane ni unu ru enso dia welele. If they like away, or one, no, Jean, is a humanitarian, or no mobile, no move, or no now, really. So a bon radio, ta, imuji joy, Benawe, my brother, Doke, Dion Osagie, Beno, America, not be Nigeria, not be the Yaffa to Leba, Egwin Yari, me, Inyana, I wear doing money on my way. I don't want booking any paper. No, just like it.
Where go here? What is I make a yard?
Imagine Joe. Imagine
Mao.
Oh, Mao. Johnny, my amiable personnel, Mr. Dion Osagie, long life and prosperity. I, my humble self, Asabro Talk Show, I have come to wish you a happy birthday.
Birthday to Dion Osagie. Mona join me celebrate this great man. Dion Osagie have done a lot in Nigeria. He has done a lot in Edo State. Mona celebrate this man. Not be only bad news we could celebrate. At least Dion Osagie does try. He don't try. He don't put smile for so many people face. He don't put smile for so many people face. If not only that one, Mona celebrate a great man. Dion Osagie is worth to celebrate. Is worth to celebrate. No yaya tie and they be yaya tie. Dion Osagie is worth to celebrate, like seriously. Mona dream is celebrate him. Happy birthday to you, long life and prosperity to you. Anyway, a 40 years. Now that time now you start life. So life starts at 40. So Mona dream is celebrate Dion. If I don't celebrate Dion Osagie, waiting again. I must celebrate him. Mona celebrate him. Mona forget all those Dion Osagie talk too much, you do this, but they try. Mona look a good work where in they do. Mona not man a battle. Mona celebrate him. And Mona share the video. Not be only way person dog meme will come to celebrate them. No. At least when person they alive, you have to celebrate him. Celebrate this great man. Is worth to celebrate. Celebrate, and the way I say celebrate a word. Two of them are the same month they born, the two of them. That is why I say celebrate a word today. Wanna celebrate them. They worth to celebrate. It's not easy for you to reach 40 years. Life starts at 40. Wanna celebrate. And not be only every time what they say message to Dion Osagie and Winifred. No. This one that is birthday. Mona celebrate her. Mona the celebrate person where they alive. Not be way person don't me. They'll come they say, this person do this kind of thing. No. Now this time we're supposed to show and love. Happy birthday to you, long life and prosperity. I wish you many more money in your account. I wish you all the Google things in this world. And I wish you all your secret prayer. God will say amen to all your secret prayer. I wish you long life and prosperity. I wish you all the Google things, everything where you did look for this world. God go grant and for you for this your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Long life and prosperity, Dion Osagie. Long life and prosperity. I do not know the great man where they come in birthday today. Not be small thing, oh. Not be small thing. Everywhere does bust. Everywhere does scatter for a does state. This birthday today, one person donate 2 million, give them more. Not be small thing, oh. Mona not miss this birthday. Mona not miss am. I use got a beguna. If I go miss on all that day, but today will be Dion Osagie birthday. Make una not miss am. The birthday carry weight, so if you are to igele, the birthday carry weight like seriously. Make una not miss today. Make una not miss today. I don't tell you now. Happy birthday to you, my brother. I love you. I love you with the love of God. I really love you because you dey try well, like you dey really try for Edo State. If na only the smile wey you dey give people wey be say they don't get anything, homeless people, you know, Dion Osagie, God go bless you. They really try, beg you, they try. Even though say people they donate the money, but at least now you start the thing, you know. You dey really try. Anybody wey dey do wetin you no fit do, abeg hail am, praise am. Una not my about. After about use mouth spoil Dion Osagie work. Today unkona the same foundation that you can dey do now. So na say the life no balance. In fact, the life balance. People wey dey the life na no balance. You understand? So Mona wish am happy birthday. He want am. He want to celebrate. Yeah. Unu ya tie. Dion Osagie wa water na celebrate because he don't really try. If now only this boy when he see for street, he put her for school, he put her for word of faith. You know easy now. You know easy. You know easy. I'm not about when I tell my easy man. When I understand. So Mona join me celebrate him. Mona celebrate him. He want him. He wants to celebrate. Happy birthday to you, my brother. Long life and prosperity. More money in your azza. More money in your account. Yeah. More money in your account. Happy birthday, my brother. Long life and prosperity. Good things go follow you for this year. And you go marry better woman wey better pass Winifred. Better woman. No wabo yaga raw, waga zi okugbe, una go the reason better thing. God go bless you with more children, many children. Even though na 5 you be need, God go give you 6. Even though na 6 you be need, God go give you 7. And so it go be to you, Dion Osagie. Happy birthday to you, my brother. Long life and prosperity. Mona join me celebrate am. Bye everybody. Bye.
Asa bro, where you wanna? Yeah. Yoga Dion Osagie where you now? Ije Umare le jak pasa? But what a leti. Omega na groovy one no. What an you know, anything I have Inyana Yoto, Maya do him, cause a summer to boy or the bed all the bed Dion Osagie. If you can wear Ibiamo Gona, near go on a Dion Osagie, and I bed dog. Won't da or devil. I give message to Dion Osagie and when you say message to Dion Osagie, oh, you don't need right now that when I go in a mirror. So, and now, or by 40 years, Balaka. Inyana da work. So a bag bon soin. When I wear Imane no rest with Jawele. Even like a way where or no Joano is a humanitarian. Oh no mobile no more. Oh no now really. So a bon radio. Ta imuji joy. Benawe. My brother Doke Dion Osagie. No no go America, not be Nigeria, not be the to legba. Egwile ni riri yare miere po inyana awa ya dun ma ni yan wa I don't want to no any pe no Dion Osagie we ko ya worry I make ya and
imare jo o ma yo my amiable personnel Mr. Dion Osagie, long life and prosperity. I, my humble self, Asabro Talk Show, I have come to wish you a happy birthday. This year will not mark the end of your life. It's a new beginning for you, a new chapter. You shall go from place to place. Because we go from place to place in a greater height, I pray, in all ramifications of your life. In Jesus' mighty name, I pray. Amen.